Hey, it's Dr. Patrick here at Scotlea Hot Rods. Time for another update on our Lightning McQueen tribute car, the one that's going to drive. And when I say drive, I mean really fast. So let me show you around and see what we've got done. All right, so a little bit more going on in the engine bay. Last time you saw it, there was just the engine and front accessory drive here, but tires are back in place. We've got our air intake and all our hoses. Wiring's in place. Again, it's all just mocked up, but it's in there. Made a couple of changes on the front suspension. So check this out. We were running coilovers, but now Lightning's on air. Allows us to raise and lower the front end, do some stuff. And when he's moving around, he can kind of change his front stance a little bit, depending on what's going on. But kind of a neat feature, putting airbags in there instead of coilovers. Again, you can kind of see he goes up about 3 inches. We haven't got it all plumbed yet, but just mocked up. But it allows us to change the stance a little bit, give him a little bit of attitude. So that's going on. Let me show you inside. Sheet metal work has been completed on the tunnel. Dash. That's an air conditioner in the front. Since the windows won't roll down and we don't want to be able to drive this all the time, we gotta have some cool air. Our computer and fuse block for the engine are mounted up under the dash. Gauges go in those holes, obviously. But that's all done. We had to make some changes to the chassis as far as the roll cage goes, just because it got really tight in there after we got the door in and the seat. So we decided, we're not gonna be racing this one right off the bat, so we cut out all the overhead bars, make it more like a convertible. We can add more back in later if we deem necessary, but for this version, it's all in there. So the tunnel, sheet metal work's all done. We just gotta build a rear firewall. Obviously, you saw that last time, the door opens and closes now. But we're making a lot of progress. Everything's coming together. It's super, super tight. Obviously, that air intake with that hood just clears it. So our air filter is right up in front of that tire. Only a couple inches of space, but just enough. It all clears. Well, there you go. Pretty neat stuff, huh? If you're digging it and you want to follow along, make sure you subscribe and tell your friends. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers this year. We're hopefully going to have this car done and out driving before the end. So stay tuned. See you soon.